Let's talk about food. Today we're going to talk about food. Wonderful food. Are you hungry? Do you want something to eat? What do you like to eat? Do you like junk food? Or do you like healthy food? Or maybe both. Do you like fruits and vegetables? Do you like special dishes? What types of food do you like? Tell us what you like to eat. I like grapes. And I like carrots. But I don't like peas or potatoes. What do you like to eat? For some foods, we just say the word when we are speaking generally. I like soup. I don't like broccoli. These are non-count nouns. For other foods, we use the plural when speaking generally. I like pears. In general, these are count nouns. But if we just want one, we can say, I want a banana. I want a strawberry. Tell us what you like or don't like. Do you like pie? Do you like grapes? Yes. No. Do you like noodles? Yes, I like noodles. No, I don't like noodles. Do you like spinach? Yes, I like spinach. No, I don't like spinach. Here are some foods which you can talk about generally without an article. Drinks, water, coffee, tea, milk. For example, I like coffee, but I don't like tea. I like water, and I like milk. What drinks do you like? Some vegetables are non-count. Lettuce, spinach, cabbage, broccoli, corn, squash. What vegetables do you like? I like. I don't like. Some prepared or cooked foods are non-count. Soup, salad, rice, bread, pie, cake. Talk to your partner, tutor, teacher, or friends about the foods you like to eat.